Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Bougainvillias are beautiful vine-like shrubs that come in a variety of vibrant colors and make for a stunning statement in any home or garden. The ones who watch our videos regularly have known that we have different colors and different types of bougainvillias. If you provide proper sunlight, water, temperature and nutrition, your bougainvillia will bloom all the year. Bougainvillia blooms mostly during the months of November to May. And today is first day of October. Today I will share you a special care for your bougainvillia plant to bloom more flowers. Can you see what my mother is doing? This is called pruning. Pruning is the process when individual branches are cut selectively. It helps the plant to grow more healthy and bushy. Now I will talk about the requirement of the sunlight for a bougainvillea. Bougainvillias love the heat. They require at least 6 hours of full sunlight a day and can handle even the hottest of the summers. If you want your plant to produce an abundance of flowers, make sure it's sitting in direct sunlight. Now some people ask, why isn't their bougainvillia not flowering? It's because they aren't receiving enough light, which will cause the plant to look thin and sparse. Next is the water requirement. Potted bougainvillias require regular watering. But remember, before watering your bougainvillea plant, check the soil. If the topsoil is dry, then give water to your plant. Excessive water can cause root rot. By now, my mother has done pruning. Now time to give fertilizer. As my mom is an organic gardener, she does not use any chemical fertilizers. And she tries to give all homemade fertilizer to her plants. Bougainvillia needs fertilizer that is high in nitrogen and phosphate. So compost is one of the best options for your plant. In here, my mother is giving kitchen waste compost, banana peel fertilizer, eggshell and coffee ground. And added some citrus peel to maintain soil pH. Bougainvillia likes slight acidic soil. If you give your plant such fertilizer, it will help to bloom more flowers. Bougainvillias are hungry plants. So feeding them in 15 days interval. Bougainvillias need nitrogen, phosphate, calcium, potassium, iron and other nutrients and minerals to stay healthy and blooming. And mixed fertilizer has all kinds of nutrients. Now I'm talking about pests and problems. Luckily, bougainvillias are typically pest-free. They can occasionally attract pests like aphids, tribes, spider mites, slugs, etc. If you spray Bioenzymes regularly, then your plant can be free from pests. To keep bougainvilleas blooming, make sure the plant is receiving full sunlight. This helps to keep your bougainvillea plant blooming. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to us and also watch our other videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.